Pete with the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. I wanted to go over something I found that was really cool. I'm updating my signature for a lot of my emails. I found a free way to make signatures. I'm going to explain how it's done, so watch the video. There are a couple little tricks which will make it work better for you. Also, I wanted to tell you that I am making a video with 3 stocks I think will times 10 within a year. So you want to subscribe if you're new. And if you're another subscriber who's already watching, welcome back. So first of all, this is called mail-signatures.com. That's the website. I'm going to have a link in the description. When you go to the site, you basically don't even have to log in. You choose the type of email you use. If these are not one of yours, hit this. Then you would select a template. They actually have many templates to choose, but I've already done that, so I'm going to kind of fast forward here. Now you go into your personal data. So each of these tabs are different. Open it up, fill in your information, and as you can see, everything gets put on the preview section here. And if it's not exactly how you want, you're going to be able to edit this later. I'm going to show you how that works. Company data, of course, your company information. Because I'm a real estate agent, I like to put my brokerage information in my email. So I actually put that for the email address, my brokerage information, real estate number and your broker number. Then graphics. Here's where it gets tricky. You got to keep in mind you may have to edit a lot of your graphics. This here is 24 by 24. That's your photo. It will be square unless you edit it into a circle too. Your company logo, your banner URL. So I've created all of this already because I don't want to take you through that process. So you might need help with graphics. Keep in mind the sizes because this is email. And then your banner link. So you have links to where people are going to go when they click on stuff. So this is what I want to explain. When you go here, basically what you do is you open up a Google Drive if you have it, or another similar drive. With Google Drive, it's simple. You use this code right here. I'm going to put that in the link in the description. You can copy it. Then when you upload your, say, your company logo to Google Drive and you click share, I'll show you right here. Basically, it opens up to this section. So let's say you click on it, right click, get link, and you have to make sure this says share link with anyone. If it's restricted, it will not show up. That's the first most important thing. Once it says link with anyone, the default is restricted, by the way, so you have to change it every time you update. You copy the link, hit done. I did this on a separate Word document so I can edit it. Then you paste your link here. Then you put the code that I'm going to have in this video here. Then you separate the image code. This is an image code for Google Drive. You can't use the share link. It will not work. So you copy that, type that in here, and then copy that link, go back to email signature, and then you paste the link in here. It's an export link. And then your photos will all show up. Once you have that done, they have disclaimers if you want one. They have 13 different ones that you can choose from. But for a lot of business people, it's a good idea to have a confidentiality disclaimer or some other type. And of course, you can cut and paste and put your own in here if you have one that you already want to use or currently using. Now for style, you can change colors if you want. I was fine with the colors that they have. And social media links. Now you want to copy all your social media links here. I'm going to move this. And of course, you can see the icons. If you do not have Pinterest or you're not using Instagram currently, you can see nothing shows up here. For the ones you do put in, the social link will be there and it will be clickable, which is nice. Now that you have that, you can click Remember My Details. So it has saved my details. I don't know how long it's going to save it for. It might be cookies. Apply your signature. And there you go. Very simple. Now you copy it. What I did, just to be sure, is cutting and pasting the code on the Word document and then saving it. So in the future, if you have a problem, your computer crashes, you transfer your information to a new laptop computer, whatever your device is, you have the codes you need. So it's going to be easier for you to redo this in the future. But it did take me a little bit of time to actually get this done. But of course, realize you got it done, this is much nicer than a regular email signature. And like I mentioned, you can further customize this. I further customize mine in Outlook, and I'll show you how to upload it to Outlook and then how to customize it. So when you're in Outlook, you go to File, then you go to Options, then you go to Mail, and then you go to Signatures right here. Once you're in Signatures, you select that. If you're making a new one, you hit New, type the name of the signature, then you type where the account is, and then if you want new messages only or replies and forwards, I select both of these because that's what I prefer. And technically, if you want to get very technical, you can actually make different signatures for a new message or replies. So that is possible. So once you paste the code here, you can edit it. If you notice my other code, I have a line here. This line is black. This is on the same line by default. So those are some of the things that I wanted to change. And here, Springer Realty Group, how they have it formatted is the group is on the bottom line. I didn't like that. So now you can see I put top 1% of all realtors in America. Second line, I put Springer Realty Group. Then I wanted to change this so it'd be a matching color separation line for my two phone numbers. And then I wanted to put my PA Realtor license number and my broker number on a separate line, not at the line with the locations. So once you have that done, click OK. You may have to click Apply also, then OK. And then once you hit New, instantly you got a professional looking signature. This is great. This is a free way, and what I found is the best way to create a signature by using mailsignatures.com with the minus sign. There will be a link in the description. You like this video and it helped you, smash a like button, comment below if you need help, and if you want more content that's business related, business news related, or finance related, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Have a great day.